Welcome. For this video, we will share with you the portals accessible by merchants. When you access via application or browser through MYSTORE.SHOPPING and click the merchant button in the lower right of the screen, you will be redirected to merchant.mystore.shopping as displayed in the left side of the screen. For merchant.mystore.shopping, here you can log into your account or register as merchant for new users. Regardless on what device you're using, this portal is designed for phone display. The portal on the right screen is an access site for registered merchants. Vendor.mystore.shopping. You may access this as an alternative with a desktop display. You may access your merchant account through both portals, as both have the same functionalities. The only key difference is that new users may only register through the merchant.mystore.shopping. Once you have an account, you may use either of the portal that suits you best. We hope this video helped you navigate your dashboard easier. Thank you for watching.